Meet Superscreen Recorder. Download and open the app. In the menu on the left side you will find these options: subscribe, pro, FAQ, feedback, ratings, share the application with. About advertising. About us. YouTube helps translate more applications. Now start editing by clicking on the main screen and read these options: online music, edit video, trim, voice dubbing, changer, add music, merge videos, compress video, video to GIF, rotate video, change speed, remove watermark, image editing, merge images. If you click on online music, what you find is a list of songs that you can have at hand. In edit video you will see all the files of your mobile. If you click on rotate video, you will find this option quickly. Click on rotate to save it. Click on the symbol on the upper right hand side. In speed change you can see 4 options. Click on 0.5x and then the play button. There you will see it slower, and on 4.0x much faster. If you want to have it in your cell phone, click on save. In merge videos choose 2 videos. And click the save button on the top right to automatically merge the videos you have previously chosen.